Hey there! In today's Bravo training, I'll show you how to add multiple items to the same ticket and even process multiple tickets simultaneously. The items in this example might differ from what your store normally takes in, but the concept will remain the same. So let's dive in. We already have a loan in the transaction screen and your customer wants to add an iPad to the same ticket. Click Add Merch and start describing the item. Notice how it populates the most common items? We're going to click on the item that best matches our item. Next, we'll pop in the serial number. If you know where you want to locate this item, you can do that here, or the item can be located after the transaction is completed and tracked by a task list button on the dashboard. Enter the negotiated amount and click Next. You'll notice a big blue 2 on the loan. That indicates there's 2 items on the same ticket. Now, let's add a new ticket for this customer. From the side menu, select either General Merchandise or Jewelry based on the item's category. In this example, we're going to buy some DVDs from our customer. We can skip the manufacturer and model and simply type in the category of DVD and select an option from the populated list. Photos, of course, are optional. Next, you'll update the quantity, select the transaction type, and enter the negotiated amount and click Next. That's it! We just did 2 transactions. One was a loan with 2 items, and the other was a buy, all at the same time. Remember, if you have any questions, Judy is 1 click away, or you can give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day!